can have yours all. Got these devices all dusted up and clean. Man, are they filthy. Whew. They all appear to work. I got the bits that fell off that in the other box. These Taiwanese ones, it seems that these are all Taiwanese built. Hitachi, Leopard Mark II, Piers Simpson. There's a Mark, looks like a Mark 1 here. All Taiwanese made. Build quality looks pretty good. It's got a lot of Panasonic Japan components in there. It just got a minor fault to them, so there must have been a pretty cheap budget radio in the day, so I'm going to just try and fix them up. Made in Taiwan. Model Leopard. A Hitachi Electronics Proprietary Limited. Brookdial, Australia. Australian company but made in Taiwan, so let's get this all, just going to put the covers back on and get a speaker. It's an 8 ohm 2-watt speaker. I should have one of those to fix that one now up. Like I said, the type of these are in various conditions, so some we reckon some work and some didn't work quite right, so we'll have to find out. 2-watt 8 ohm speaker, made in Taiwan. That's a bit big though. It has to be a shielded one. Yeah, it has to be magnetically shielded and a bit smaller than that. Electronically they're right though. But they've got an external speaker jack plug at the back of them anyway, so I might just do with that. I might have to use my clock radio speaker. Yeah. I'm gonna put that. I know I didn't pop that. I did play it hard, but I didn't damage it in that last video I did. But I think I got it somewhere. Just use that. But for now, we'll just test these Philips ones. So this one here, I think this works. So I'm going to score them all back together. We'll test this one first because I've got the aerial and everything hooked up. I've got a base in here somewhere from the other UHF aerial I bought from the old place in Merbean. Where it used to be in my caravan. So I'm going to redo that antenna properly later on. Put the other base on that and get that all going. So I'll have to take this outside on my batteries. In here, you're not going to get much of anything. As I said, these are just standard CB radios. They're not shortwave or bloody ham radio or anything like that, but just as a test, we'll see what we can get. Anyway, so hook these up and I'll get this tested. I might hook another one up later on and see if I can talk to one another with it, just as a quick little test. I might hook one of these up and have that one there going, and just turn it in to see if I can receive it on that one there. We'll do it vice versa. That'll be the easy way I can test them. It's going to be an little off-grid setup here. So hook this battery up. Allen battery, good for the ham radio enthusiasts. Good little trick. It's just a little experiment, but in my opinion, you've got high-powered stuff. You need big batteries and a solar panel and a generator and everything. But if this battery can do it for a test, we'll see what it does. I should set this aerial up, shouldn't I, before I short those wires out, eh? Let's get this aerial set up first. I'll get it all untangled. There we go. I probably won't get much, but we'll just see what happens. We'll see if we can get anything at all. Yeah. Not ideal, but we'll see what happens. A bit better. Let's get this a test. Okay, we'll hook this up. Untangle the mic. Yeah, they need a good clean. They've just been sitting and dusted up for a while. A clean radio would clean up my signal, so let's see if a dirty signal, if I can at least get somewhat of a signal, albeit dirty. Okay, it's connected. Energize device. Not a sun. Not a bad speaker on this one. Sounds kind of nice. 40 channel. Yep, my signal. I gotta find someone to talk to get a radio test. Go on there. Can a radio check, please? No, don't know what that is. Something entirely different. remote control, that's nice. I think that's work. I think channel 31's work, like I talk to people on the forklifts. Okay, well that's got somewhat of a functionality going to it, but I'll test another one. Let's go get another radio. Got this thing half-assed done. I've got to work on my cable management skills. Oops! I've really got to work on my cable management skills here. Yeah, these are all in pieces, so I just piece them back together and I'll score back together later. It's my negative, but in there. No, the other one's my positive. This cord needs to be replaced. It's pretty damaged and frayed up anyway, so yeah, let's wire this up properly. Testing, testing. Turn this on somehow. Normally it changes the channels. Testing, testing, no. Testing, testing. Not working either. RPTR. Testing, testing. Muting. Power. Yeah, probably 2.2 watts. And I've got the area hooked up to my radio one. And that's going outside to this car area up on the roof. So there could be something wrong with the transmitter or the seating part of it, anything like that. But this is an FM 620 model Philips. Made in Australia. So I've got the protective plastic on it too. Oops. Now this button doesn't change channels. We'll try another one. But I'm not getting much at all on these, so they're in various states of functionality. They've got to be all properly tested, so. And the wires are all buggered on that one too. That's a 4-ohm speaker on that one. We'll try this one. Bit older, FM 320 this one. That's the next model up by the looks of it. It's an older model. This one works. Nice line cables in it. Interesting. Proper aerial setup by the looks of it, obviously, but that's just a quick little test. Here's one of the P.S. Simpson Leopard Mark II UHF transceivers, the Taiwanese one. There's 2 more Taiwanese ones there that are the same. The 7-segment display on this is a bit dodgy. Bit sticky switch. Yes, let's see if we can get anything. The meter didn't move either. Nice and loud, half an amp. Oh, let's try another one. The face plate's in the box somewhere that fell off this when I was cleaning them. Nice and loud. Hook the aerial up, which is not ideal, so ridiculous and not ideal aerial. I've got dead segments. Yeah, dead segment. Testing, testing. The meter doesn't move. Oh, there's switches off for they're getting stuck. Let's try the next one. Well, this one here seems to work as well, but there's a bit of a connection problem. The speaker works, but there's a dirty switch. I can't get nothing into the speaker. No TX either. Doesn't work. TX doesn't work, so I got something wrong with this one. All the lights are working in this near there. The light's up. The dial light works in this one. Testing, testing. The transmission doesn't work in this radio. Yeah. The speaker does do something. It says Yates audio feedback vibration 1370, whatever that's supposed to mean. As you can see there, there's obviously something wrong with this one, so I'll try and investigate this one. I'm going to have to make another setup and have another radio just transmit and see if I can talk between them like that. That'll be the way I can test it. So I'll do that later on though. This is just a quick little test to see if they actually power up and actually do something. This is a Mark 1 by the looks of it. Hitachi Pierce Simpson Leopard. Looks like an earlier model. So that is second Mark 2. This must be the Mark 1. I'm guessing anyway. But it's a digital LED meter, not an analog one. So it might be even be the next model up. Here's a spare chassis which has got a broken potentiometer, the volume on off, potentiometer is broken. The front of one there for that one. Heaps of parts there for these. Another one there. That's the next model up. Those Simpson Mark II is a board off one there. A lot of parts for these. Anyway. Transmit, testing, testing. Yeah, I got no reply. Seems to do something though. This 7 segment display is in good nick too. All works. Anyway, turn it off. That'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.